We were trying to figure out how many bottles of cola did she buy. And clue 1 says the number of bottles of root beer, pay ordered. So root beer, I'm calling that R, is or was 80%, 0.8 bottles of ginger ale. 0.8 times ginger ale, which is G. But that doesn't help me find C. So clue 1 doesn't work by itself. Clue 2, the number of bottles of cola was 75% of total number of ginger ale and root beer. Ginger ale plus root beer. And that's going to work because you only have 3 different things. You have cola, root beer, and ginger ale. And we know she had a total of 63 bottles. So another way to write ginger plus root beer would be the same thing as taking, if you took the total number of bottles, 63, and you subtract off the number of bottles of cola, what you're left with is that. And so we could solve that for C. So clue 2 works. That means your answer is B.